Hello, I'm Megumi. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is a gentle 10 minutes stretching yoga practice done entirely seated. It's perfect for all levels, especially if you're feeling tired or your muscles are sore. Let's begin. Sit comfortably in a cross-legged position. Let your arms relax by your sides. Inhale, sweep your right arm up. Exhale, lean to the left side. Gentle side body stretch. Take a deep breath. Inhale, come back to center. Switch sides. Inhale, left arm reaches up. And exhale, lean to the right. Relax your right shoulder. And slowly come back to center. One more time. Inhale, reach your right arm up and lean to the left. This time, as you exhale, reach your right arm forward diagonal and feel a gentle stretch through your back. Place your right hand down on the mat and gently rotate your torso towards your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward over your left leg. Soften your shoulders. Let the upper body relax. Stay with your breath. Walk your hands in to come up. Move into gentle twist. Right hand on your left thigh and left hand behind your back. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, deepen your twist to the left. Massage your organs with your breath. Take one more deep breath. Slowly come back to center. Let's switch. Inhale, sweep your left arm up and exhale, lean over to the right side. And extend your left arm forward diagonal. Place your left hand down on the mat and gently rotate your torso towards your right thigh. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Feel your hips heavy and relax your shoulders. Walk your hands in. Place your left hand on your right thigh, right hand behind your back. Come into twist. Keep your spine straight. And as you exhale, deepen the twist a little bit more. Slowly come back to center. Again, release your legs, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the mat. Windshield wiper motion. Drop your knees side to side. Feeling a soft release in your groins and lower back. Okay, come back to center. Move into a seated pigeon pose. Lift your hips up to bring your right ankle over your left thigh. Kick your right heel. Flex position. Press the floor firmly to keep your spine nice and long. Breathe into the outer right hip. Gently press your right knee away from your body to deepen the stretch. Take another breath. Okay, then extend your left leg long, Janusirisi Asana. Bring the sole of your right foot to the inside of your left thigh. And exhale, gently fold forward over your left leg. Feel the gentle stretch along the back of your left leg and through your lower back. Let yourself soften into the pose with each breath. Slowly come up, baby wild thing. Place your right hand behind you and lift your hips up. Sweep your left arm overhead. Feel a big stretch across the front of your body. Slowly lower your hips back down and come back to fold forward. Maybe you can melt a little deeper this time. Gently rotate your right ribcage towards the mat. Okay, slowly come up. And let's do the other side. Bend your knees. Place your feet flat on the mat. Bring your left ankle over your right thigh. Come into seated pigeon pose. Breathe into the outer left hip, soft and steady. Lengthen your spine long. So gentle stretch into your chest and shoulders. Slowly extend your right leg out in front of you. Janusirisi Asana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward over your right leg. Relax your upper body as you exhale. And walk your hands in to come up, baby wild thing. Place your left hand behind you and lift your hips up. Sweep your right arm overhead, reach through your right fingertips. Big stretch. As you exhale, lower your hips down. Come back to fold forward. Maybe you can go a little bit deeper this time. Breathe in. Let your body expand. And breathe out. Relax. Okay, then slowly rise up. Our final pose is straddle, Pavishta Konasana, a wide-legged seated stretch. Open your legs as wide as feels comfortable. Point your toes and knees to the ceiling. And rub your inner thighs. Give yourself a little massage. And bring your awareness to this area. Then let's do gentle side stretch first. Inhale, reach your right arm up, and exhale, lean over to the left side. Come back to center. Go to the other side. Inhale, sweep your left arm up, and exhale, lean over to the right. Slowly come back to center. This time place your hands in front of you. You can stay here or it feels good, begin to fold forward as you exhale. Walk your hands forward just a little or as far as feels comfortable. Simply stay with your breath. No need to go deep. Surrender yourself to gravity. Okay, slowly walk your hands back and lift yourself up. Support your legs by holding the backs of your knees and gently return to a comfortable cross-legged position. Gently close your eyes. Take a moment to feel the rebound within your body. Notice how you feel right now, physically, mentally, and energetically. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Let's close with one Om. Take a breath to chant. Bow forward. Namaste. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel open, refreshed, and ready for the day ahead. We'll practice together again soon.